Hey, this is Fazan. It's the end of April, and I have promised in this month that I'll complete trigonometry and some other chapters of other discipline like SST and science. And literally, I did something. I did little bit in all of this, but in this month, in April, I I am literally very busy. That's why I'm unable to do that's why I'm unable to complete the whole syllabus. The construction is going on my house. Okay, that's why I'm very busy. I'm not studying at all right now. On 20th of April, the work has started. My house has been constructed. That's why I'm very busy. I'm doing the works. I left coaching because of the work. That's why I'm not getting time. I'm not getting enough time, sufficient time to study. But I believe in myself that I can cover syllabus after mm, after completing the after the construction of my house. I believe in myself. I can do this. Okay, and if I talk about trigonometry, I did little bit. I almost completed the chapter, but the descriptive question I left that. Not left, but I did little bit on that. So that's all about that math. And in other discipline like science, I also did little bit. Today in this video, I want to talk about UPSC as UPSC has announced the 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 final result of civil services, and Sakti Dubey, who hails from Prayagraj, got the first rank. So I'm just right now, since the result came, I'm just always thinking about UPSC. How will I do that? What I need to do? I'm just thinking about that. I'm talking about. I'm just thinking. I'm just ruminating. You can call it. This is the best word to describe this. I'm I'm just ruminating about UPSC, about GS essay. How will I write essay? We all know that what kind of essay they ask. It's so abstract. And I suck that I suck at essay and GS. I try my best to do this, and I'm ruminating about my optional subject. Well, what will I opt uh, in optional? I'm just thinking about these things. So I decided to that I will opt zoology as optional because I'm good at biology. I think. Yes, of course I'm good. And if I talk about, as we know that there are two branch of biology, zoology and botany. But I just left botany because I'm not good at botany. I suck at that. That's why, and the questions are very tough. I'm not going. I'm unable to get that. What the question's saying. That's why I choose zoology as optional. You know that 4 months. I'm talking about this year 2024. 4 month has passed, and I didn't feel at all that 4 month has passed. See, what time is. Time is so faster, so faster. That's why I need to cover the syllabus as soon as possible. And I left journaling. I mean, writing, journaling because, as I told you, that I'm so procrastinating and I'm not getting time. I'm not getting enough time to do that. That's why I left. It's all my excuses. I left reading books, novels, writing, journaling, and lots of things and many habits which I have inculcated in in the beginning of 2005. But I left all those things. This all is my excuses. Okay, no problem. I'll try my best to recover all those things. And I'm trying to know as far I'm trying to know about UPSC as far as possible, because if you start as soon as possible, you are going to success in that field as soon as possible. That's why I'm ruminating and thinking about UPSC, GS, essay, prelims, interview, lots of things. So this is all about today's channel. As I have said that in the end of the month I will upload uh, a video. So I'm doing that. I'm happy that I'm doing this job. I'm uploading video in the morning. So that's all about today's channel. Bye.